Hey there, RE/MAX agent. I've got a special announcement for you. You ready? Your broker has me coming out to do a full-day video workshop. Now, before you say, Michael, video's too hard, it's too expensive, I don't know what to do. Well, once upon a time, it was all those things. But if you have a smartphone, like an iPhone or an Android, if you've got a tablet, if you've got a webcam, I can show you how to make the kinds of videos that people actually want to watch and share. And more importantly, when they watch your videos, they get this feeling like they already know, like, and trust you. So when they pick up the phone to call you, you don't have to push them on all the reasons why they need to be working with you. You just show up and be you. Now, one of the questions you're probably asking, well, Michael, why is video so important? Well, according to the National Association of Realtors, you ready for this one? Almost all buyers start their search online. And when they start their search, what are they looking for? Obviously listings, but they're watching virtual tours, they're watching videos. And the other thing about that is they're auditioning realtors. What? What are you saying, auditioning realtors? Well, think about it. Many buyers have homes they have to sell first. And the way they get to know a realtor is to watch the marketing that they do. Are you marketing with video? Because that's what today's consumers want. So at our workshop, I'll be sharing with you the special apps that I use, the inexpensive little tools that I use, and all the little tips and tricks and secrets that I use to get people to actually watch videos and make them compelling. So the details for the workshop will be immediately beneath this video. I hope to see you there. Make sure you RSVP, because we will be saying lights, camera, action. We'll be doing videos together.